Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined issue on your Apple ID. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, open settings in your device and go to your profile, and from here tap on sign in and security and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply change the password for your Apple ID for one time from here, and after this go back and you have to simply go to your payment and shipping for one time and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time, and after this go back, and now you have to sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to sign in your Apple ID again after restarting your device, and then you have to add your payment method again in your device as well. So guys, add your payment method again in your device after signing in your Apple ID again, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your payment method will not be declined anymore. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.